Good afternoon. I am excited to introduce our new ADDI Portal to you today. Our new portal is modular in design, which enables us to turn the functionality on or off as appropriate by customer or by user. And it's really meant to be a one-stop shop for our customers to get all of the information that you need to run the business. So when you log into the portal each day, it's going to take you to our dashboard. So the dashboard really has three sections: high-level overview of today's orders, how did we do yesterday, and then we have a delivery performance section where you can start to drill down a little bit more. So you can look at one or multiple accounts, you can select a date range, and review our performance over the selected period of time. For customers who are looking to place on-demand orders in our portal, we do have that functionality as well. So some of the key features that we have here in our order entry is the ability to pre-populate fields. So you can see my name and my phone number, for example, were already populated for me. You can also load an address book. So if you're able to provide us that information, we can load the address book for you. And once in the address book, all of our fields are type-as-you-go filters, so you can quickly find what you are looking for. Another key feature that we've added to our address book lookup is a Google address validation. So if you do have a typo when you're entering an order, or there's just something wrong in our system, we can validate that for you and recommend a suggested change. By doing this, it helps us ensure that we have better data in the system, and it can help eliminate possible delivery errors due to bad addresses. Once you have your stops, the stops are drop and drag, so they're quick to move around if you need to flip-flop pickup and delivery. You can delete them, edit them, so it makes creating your orders very quick and easy there. We do also have notification functionality, so you can see I have a notification pre-filled to send to me when the order is created. You can also do pickup notifications or delivery notifications, and you can add as many emails as you need for each of those options. The final thing I wanted to show you is what we are calling frequent advanced shipping templates. So these are meant to be a quick way to create orders if you have common address pairs. So if you frequently go between two stops once a day, twice a day, rather than having to look them up each time, you can create the fast template. And the next time you come in, you can select it. I have one in here as an example. You'll see it quickly populated a lot of my information for me. Jump over to tracking, and our tracking section was designed a little bit differently. So on our tracking page, we have today's information only. And one of the key features that we've added here is that you have access to all accounts on one screen. If you want to drill down to only a single account or a single order, we do have filters here on the left for you to do so. But our goal here is what we're calling beyond maps tracking, to give you all the information that you need on a single screen without having to watch the cars move around on a map. On the right side of the screen, we do have the data broken into three sections. So it's in progress, not started, and completed, with the goal being just to give you a very quick overview of how the day is looking across the board. For each route, again, I'm trying to give you high-level information that you need quickly. You can see which account it is, what's the route name, how many pieces are on that route if we're doing piece scanning for you, completed stops, and a key feature for the routed work, so we're defining that as 3 or more stops, is an ETA to the next stop. So very quickly, you can get all the high-level information you need about each route that's in progress. If you are looking for more detail, you can click on any one of these routes. So I'm going to pick one. And you can see the stop details. You can see a list of all the stops. You can see the route progress, number of pieces, time they're completed, POD information, signatures, photos. All of that is available for you here, and I will show you that again on the next screen. So again, that's our tracking, today's data only, and it's meant to be just a very quick tool to see what's going on, how's the day progressing, and look up any specific details that you need. I'm going to jump over to order history. Again, this is to look at the past, so you have up to 6 months of data that you can look up here in order history. Again, we have date ranges, so we have commonly used date ranges, and then you can do a custom date range as well. And our type-as-you-go filters. So I'm going to look up one order as an example. And you can see my search results are limited. And then if I want to see the details, I have all of that here. So I can see the route was completed, everything was on time. Here I can see my piece level information. So if I click on it and we're piece scanning for you, you can see the piece barcodes, as well as the time that those pieces were scanned. And then again, we have our POD information. So if we are doing a signature or photo capture for you as part of the POD process, that information is available here. You can click on it and see the photo or signature that was captured. The last tab I want to talk about is our reports tab. So our goal with this is to eliminate the need to email you constantly with the data and the reporting. Instead, we're going to put any custom reports that we build for our customers here on the reports tab, and then you can come and run the reports as needed. I do just have one report here as an example, but you can see you can set your date range. Again, you have up to 6 months worth of data in the system, and you can select which account or accounts you want to include in the report. When you click download, you'll see it creates a file down here for me. Click on this and it'll open a nice Excel file for you where you can start reviewing the data in a very easy to read format. So our portal is designed to be used on computers, tablets, mobile devices, and the format adjusts as you go. So you can see here I have my cell phone. The data is the same. It's just been reformatted for the smaller screen size. And then to move through it, up here in the top corner, I do have my navigation tools, and I can move through, I can create an order. And you can see I have the same functionality as I did in the portal. So fully functional portal on any mobile device. So no matter where you're at, you have a quick access to any data that you may need. That's really a high-level overview of our new ADDI Portal. We're really excited about it, and we hope that you are too. We look forward to working with you all on future development.